Hi everyone, Dalis here to introduce you the Merry Grinchmas Kat Scrappiness collection. This is one adorable new collection. Let me start with the stamps. We have 4 pretty big images and 3 sentiments. And let me go through the sizes for this. The Grinch in the Chimney is 1¼ inches wide by 2 1/8 inches tall. The Grinch with the ornament right here, it's adorable. He is 1½ inches wide by 2½ inches tall. The Grinch with the puppy, which is this one right here with the big bag of toys and the puppy. This one is 2½ by 2½. And the puppy alone is 1 inch by 1 inch. And the reason I'm telling you the 2 different measurements is for the die cuts. You will have a die cut for the ornament, for all the sentiments, the ornament, the chimney, the Grinch with the tree, and then you'll have one for the Grinch with the bag of toys and one for the puppy, so you can do them side by side like they are here, or you can cut them separately right here. Okay, so the sentiments are ho ho ho, and ho 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 is 1¼ inches wide by 1¼ inch high. Merry Grinchmas is 1½ inches wide by 1/2 inch tall, and Humbug is 1 1/8 inches wide by 5/8 inches tall. And all the measurements will be in the description below. The Grinch with the tree is 2½ inches wide by 2 inches tall. There is a coordinating die cut for the Grinch, the Merry Grinchmas set. And we also have a Merry Grinchmas paper pad. The Merry Grinchmas paper pad has a beautiful red, lime green, like a darker green, much darker green, and then like a lemony yellow. Let me show you. And we have the Grinchmas with the puppy and the puppy by itself, and the Grinchmas with the Christmas tree, and the Grinchmas with the ornaments. So you get all 4 images in this one with a beautiful tone-on-tone red background. Then you got that tone-on-tone background, but in a lime yellow, a lime green. The ornaments, just the same ornament that the Grinch is holding on, is right here with a beautiful white background with little doodles for stars. Again, another tone-on-tone red with curly cues. The presents with, this is the lemony yellow that I was talking about, with the 2 shades of red, 2 shades of green that have been used in the tone-on-tone papers. Next paper is a polka dot with a more like a grass green color, and then the polka dots are the lime green. The puppies, and I love this paper. I would never have thought of coloring the puppies this way, but I love this pattern paper. It is super Christmassy. This might be one of my favorite. I hope you can tell. There are like little light stars, and they are like a very, very soft seafoam green. And Grinchmas hat, the Grinch hat, because of course we need it. And I love that it has that gradient here from light to dark. Tone on tone with the doodle stars and this beautiful candy stripe in white, green, and red. Another tone on tone with that seafoam green that was before, and then we repeat ourselves. So you get 12 patterns. You get 4 of each design. So this is a pretty nice size package, and it is just like all of the Kat Scrappiness pattern papers. It is a pretty good thickness. So let's go and recall all of them. You got the 6x6 double-sided premium cardstock called Merry Grinchmas, our stamp and coordinated die set for the Merry Grinchmas collection.